Hello, y'all. My name is Max. This is No Code Nerd, and today we're talking about Datawrapper. I'm going to make this super quick. Datawrapper is amazing for a data nerd like myself. Basically, you can create for free amazing charts that live update from Google Sheets or Excel or whatever else you want, just via data. You can create beautiful, amazing, really intelligent, really well laid out graphs, charts, anything in that kind of space. New York Times uses it. Like all these really awesome companies use it to post on their blogs, like with real awesome, amazing, intelligent data, like really awesome charts and tables and maps and everything like that. You can make them. Just plug in your data from a Google Sheet, embed it flat on a website, and then live updates, and it's awesome and it's incredible. And I'm actually curious what their pricing is. Free trial, publish, export, includes data with wrapper attribution. Yeah. This is just incredible. It's awesome. So of course they go large because they sell to large organizations, but they keep it accessible to people like us that just want to build cool things, right? I'm totally going to build some really dumb websites, probably some news websites with stuff like this. I think it would be so cool. Sweet. Make charts. Be a data nerd. Heck yeah. I'll see you in the next episode.